can help you. Oh, hello? Hey, I can help. Hello?
Okay, these are pages 36 and 37 in the Let's Go 3 workbook, and this is the review for units 3 and 4. So let's start. The first one says, read and match. So we're just going to read the question and then find the matching answer down here. Here we go. How's she going to school? So it said how, so we have to find a way, like on foot or by bus. Factor, no. He's going to the store. No, that's a place. She's going by bus. There we go, by bus. That answers how. Tells me a method. Number 2, is she a baseball player? So we have is she, so our only answers are yes, she is, or no, she isn't. Let's search for that. Oh, there's a no. No, she isn't. That matches. We always match the front to the back. Next one, where's he going? So it says where, so we are looking for a place. He's a factory worker. That's a job, not a place. He's going to the store. Where is he going? He's going to the store. Okay. Number 4, what does your mother do? Okay, mother is a girl, so looking for she. She's an office worker. There we go. Number 5, where's the lunchroom? Right there. It's next to the music room. All right, and only one more. What's his job? He's a factory worker. And we're all done. Let's go to part B. Okay, this is part B, and part B says look and check. So we're going to read the question, the answer, and then pick the right picture. Here we go. Is she going... Oh, I'm going to change my pencil. So let's restart that. Restart. No, I'm on the same page. Rats. Okay, this is part B, and it says look and check. So we're going to read a question, read the answer, and then check the right picture. Let's start. Is she going to the store? There's an important part. Yes, she is. Which one is the store? This one has oranges and some juice and canned goods, maybe jam. And this one has like cakes. So I don't really find this in the store. This is for a bakery. So that's the right picture. Number 2, what does a photographer do? A photographer takes pictures. Okay, so here we have a man giving food to the lions, feeding them, and here is a man taking pictures of lions. So this is the right one. Number 3, how's he going to work? He's going by train. This is a bus, this is a train. Number 4, is she a veterinarian? No, she isn't. Well, both of them are doctors, but she is helping a boy and she is helping a dog, and this was no. So it has to be this picture because doctors help people, veterinarians help animals. And part B is done. Good job. Okay, this is part C, and it says read, number, and match. It's about the story that we had in our student books. Before we start, let's go ahead and just remember the student book.
My name is Shelley. I live in New Zealand. My summer vacation is in December and January. I go to the beach every day. Sometimes I can see whales. New Zealand is great.
All right, now I think we're ready to go for it. Let's look through and try to find the first one. The first one she said what her name was. I live in New Zealand. Sometimes I can see whales. My name is Shelley. Yeah, this one was first. She said, my name is Shelley. So that's 1. And we're going to match it to the picture. This picture right here. Okay, next one. Number 2. I go to the beach every day. No. I live in New Zealand. Yes. She told us where she lived. First she said her name, and then she said where she lives. All right, which picture is New Zealand? This is New Zealand right here, next to Australia. Beautiful country. All right, then we need to find number 3. Sometimes I can see whales. Or I go to the beach every day. Well, this one was first, so this is 3. So we know 3, and now we know 4. And going to the beach is right here. And there is a whale. Okay, part C is done. Let's look at part D. Now, this is part D, and it just says match. So we're going to read the question and just match it to an answer here. And all of these questions are about the story, part C. All right, number 1, what's her name? So let's look for this part. Shelley lives in New Zealand. Shelley likes the beach. Her name is Shelley. There we go. What's her name? Her name is Shelley. When is summer vacation? So let's look for summer vacation. Shelley lives in New Zealand. Shelley likes the beach. Summer vacation is in December and January. Does that match? When is summer vacation? Summer vacation is in December and January. Perfect. And 2 left. What does Shelley like? So we're going to look for this word to help us. Shelley lives in New Zealand. Shelley likes the beach. There we go. What does she like? She likes the beach. And last one. Where does Shelley live? So we look for live. Shelley lives in New Zealand. Check. All done. Good job.